Facebook lead generation ads, strategy plus examples, WWAI, AnyBiz. Facebook lead generation ads offer a blend of organic and paid strategies to effectively capture leads. Utilizing Facebook groups and compelling content plays a crucial role in building a strong presence. Engaging content tailored to your audience's interests is vital. This can range from educational articles and videos to interactive polls and live Q&A sessions, all aimed at providing value and fostering trust. Cultivating a responsive Facebook presence by quickly replying to comments and messages boosts engagement and helps guide users further along their customer journey. Joining or creating Facebook groups related to your niche allows for direct interaction with potential leads. Sharing expertise and addressing issues within these groups enhances your credibility. Organizing events like webinars or live discussions on Facebook can significantly increase brand visibility. These events offer valuable experiences, making attendees more willing to share their contact information. Facebook ads are a direct method to gather leads, but integrating AnyBiz's AI tools can enhance lead nurturing. This combination ensures thorough follow-up and helps convert leads into loyal customers. Using AnyBiz with Facebook allows for an optimized lead nurturing process, ensuring that potential customers are effectively engaged and none slip through the cracks. By leveraging both organic strategies and advanced AI tools, businesses can create a comprehensive approach to lead generation on Facebook. This strategic integration helps maximize the effectiveness of your campaigns, ensuring better reach and conversion rates. Effective lead generation on Facebook involves a balance of engaging directly with potential customers and automating follow-ups. The synergy between Facebook's broad audience and AnyBiz's AI-driven capabilities creates a robust platform for lead nurturing. Before you move on, take a moment to show your support. Like and subscribe to keep up with all our latest releases.